Go to Mama. You go to Mama? Go to Mama.
Don't get distracted.
Hey,
come on.
Go to Mama. Go to Mama. She's over there.
But Dad, I want to get my brush first.
Get your brush. You brush your hair.
Come on. Don't see me. Come on. Come on. You can do it with the brush. Come on. Come on. Turn her around. I want to watch her walk with it back the other way. She's kind of in the way.
Here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Lorelai.
Let's go.
What I have.
Go get it.
What I have. Come on.
Go get it.
Come get your brush.
Lorelai.
She's gonna go backwards, baby. Catch her if she falls.
Go.
Come here. Now we get the video camera. You don't want to do nothing. Come on. Hey. Come get your brush. Come on. Come get your brush. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come get your brush, honey. There you go.
Good job. You're such a good big girl. So smart.
Get
Just
your brush.
cruise on over there and get your brush. Good job. You're the smartest little thing. Smart little cookie.
You go back to Mama? Go back to Mama. Here, I'll get your brush for you. Go back to Mama. Here. There's your brush right there.
No, it won't stay.
Here you go. Come on. Come on.
Good job. You're such a big girl. Just turned 9 months old yesterday.
Here's your brush,
So
honey.
smart.
There you go. There's your brush. Whoa, don't fall.
Hey, can you say hi to Mama and Papa and Mimi and Papa?
Where did it go?
Mimi and Chris and all the kids. Yeah, say, watch me, I'm a big girl. I can walk like a big girl. I just started yesterday. Yep, I'm gonna go get the remote. See Mama's purse? You like to play with that? Hey. Get it. Get it.
Hey, what do you have?
It's okay, Dada.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We can't have that one.
Play with your toys. Is that funny? Get it. Don't point at it. Get it.